Hand on chest or heart. Thankful. Hand on head. Respectful. The question hand gesture. The forget it gesture. The stop gesture. Both hands open, palms up. Index on wrist, we're late, gesture. Palms up and hands above head, dua prayer. Thumb and index finger touching. The wait gesture.
Everyone told me learning Arabic was going to be an absolute nightmare. They said the grammar is impossible and the script makes no sense. But then I found out the truth. The biggest secret about Arabic? It's actually completely logical once you break it down. Unlike other languages, where rules change every 5 seconds, Arabic is built on a highly structured mathematical root system. And that alphabet that looks so intimidating? Aleph B turns learning the script into a visual game. You trace, you play, and you actually remember it. You don't need hours of dry textbooks. You just need 10 minutes of smart, bite-sized lessons that adapt to exactly how you learn. Free apps just give you random vocabulary, but Aleph B actually builds your path to true fluency, from reading the script to speaking it. Stop letting the myths hold you back. Tap below, download Aleph B, and prove everyone wrong today.